Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, September 1st, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Attendance. Teachers, you should have a working attendance page in your homeroom course of Schoology. I know that we have two exceptions to that rule, but everyone else homeroom attendance page should be working. It actually is a direct link to a page in PowerSchool, so it looks a little different this year, but that is where we are going to be doing our attendance. Please try to submit your attendance in Schoology. If there are students that are not listed on that roster, please keep documentation of their attendance. At this point, that roster should be pretty close to being accurate. We have a few exceptions to that, but hopefully we're getting really close. Today's late duty is supposed to be Miss Hamlin, so we will check on that. Important date, September 3rd, we have Vector Training certificates are due to Nurse Eaton. That's our online health training. And September 6th, we have Labor Day, no school. Diagnostic schedule. You were supposed to complete the diagnostic math yesterday and begin on the HM8 growth measure today and work on that through the end of the week. Some of your students may not have login credentials yet. Have all students that can complete the diagnostic on schedule. We will accommodate those who can't currently log in as soon as they become available. As of yesterday, our Mcpss Transfer students, it appears that most of them have now been transferred into the Kate Shepherd group so that I can reset passwords. I emailed you about that last night, so check that email. If you have any students that need assistance with that, let me know. Shout out to these classes that have 100% that have started the reading diagnostic. That would be Miss Guidry, Miss Overstreet, and Miss Wolf. Overall, and I know we probably have some others, maybe, that everybody they have in the building has started the reading diagnostic, which is fantastic also. Overall, we have 70% complete on the reading diagnostic. That is wonderful. Now, let's see if we can get to 70% in math. We have quite a few classes that have not began the iReady math yet, and that is super important that we get that rocking and rolling and we get everyone that we can possibly get tested this week. The word of the day is a bar graph. A bar graph is a graph that uses height or length of rectangles to compare data. So those rectangles it's talking about are what they are referring to as the bars. So it uses bars of different lengths to represent different amounts to compare the data. So that is a bar graph. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday, Kate Shepherd.